Welcome back to the Brain Lab. We're thrilled to have you join us again. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of learning, a journey that never truly ends, and discovering how the brain acquires new skills, adapting and evolving with each new experience.
Your guide through this incredible journey. Have you ever wondered how we learn new skills, like playing an instrument or mastering a new hobby? Or perhaps you've been curious about how we pick up new languages and communicate in entirely new ways. Today, we'll explore the science behind learning, delving into the intricate processes that make it all possible. Our amazing brain is constantly working, adapting, and growing. Let's get started on this exciting adventure. The brain's ability to learn and adapt is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This is the foundation of how we learn new skills. Every time we practice a new skill, our brain creates and strengthens connections between neurons. The more we practice, the stronger these connections become, making the skill easier to perform. Two critical areas of the brain involved in learning are the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex. The hippocampus is essential for forming new memories, while the prefrontal cortex is responsible for planning and executing tasks. When we learn something new, the hippocampus helps store that information, and the prefrontal cortex helps us apply it to different situations. Learning a new skill involves three main stages: acquisition, consolidation, and retrieval. Each of these stages plays a vital role in how effectively we can master and retain new information or skills. Acquisition is when we first encounter the new information or skill. This is the initial phase where we are introduced to new concepts, techniques, or data that we aim to learn. Consolidation is when the brain processes and stores this information, usually during sleep. During this stage, our brain works to organize and integrate the new knowledge, making it more stable and easier to recall later. Retrieval is when we recall and use the skill or knowledge. This is the final stage where we apply what we have learned in real-life situations, demonstrating our understanding and proficiency. Practicing regularly and getting enough sleep are crucial for the consolidation stage. Consistent practice helps reinforce the new information, while adequate sleep ensures that our brain has the opportunity to process and solidify these new connections, as this is when our brain strengthens and refines the new connections. Over time, with repeated practice and proper rest, these connections become stronger, making it easier for us to retrieve and use the learned skills or knowledge effectively. Practice is essential for mastering any skill. Each time we practice, we reinforce the neural pathways associated with that skill. Receiving feedback during practice helps us identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. For example, when learning to juggle, feedback helps us adjust our technique and timing, leading to smoother and more consistent performance over time. Motivation plays a significant role in learning. When we're motivated, our brain's reward system releases dopamine, which enhances our ability to learn and retain new information. Having a growth mindset, the belief that we can improve with effort, also boosts our learning. Embracing challenges and viewing failures as opportunities to learn helps us stay motivated and resilient. Understanding the science of learning empowers us to acquire new skills more effectively. By delving into how our brains process information, we can tailor our study habits to be more efficient and impactful. This knowledge is not just for students, but for anyone looking to improve their cognitive abilities. Remember, practice, feedback, and a positive mindset are key to mastering any skill. Consistent practice helps reinforce what we've learned, while constructive feedback allows us to identify areas for improvement. A positive mindset keeps us motivated and resilient in the face of challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into brain health and science. Your support helps us create more content that can aid in your journey of lifelong learning and cognitive enhancement.
Thanks for watching the Brain Lab. We appreciate your time and interest in understanding the fascinating world of brain science. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop growing. See you next time. Stay curious and keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge.